Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to send money via Interac e-transfer on Scotiabank. We will also put a link in the description below. To start, open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your username or card number and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Transfers. Under Transfer Funds, you will see an option for Interac e-transfer. Click on Interac e-transfer. On this tab, you will see an option for Send Money. Click on Send Money. To start, select a contact or the receiver of the money. If you haven't added a contact yet, click on Add New Contact. Now, to add a contact, verify first your Scotia card PIN. Enter it on the field provided, then click on Confirm. After that, enter the contact's name and email address. Once the contact has been added, enter now the amount you're going to send. You could also add a message to the contact, but it's just optional. After that, click on Confirm. Lastly, review the transfer details. If everything looks good, click on Confirm. That's how you send money via Interac e-transfer on Scotiabank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.